Well, good morning, about to be good afternoon now. I guess it's 11:54 in the morning. Since it's been a couple of days since I made a last video, I want to give you a real quick an update. The reason why I was out for a few days was because I sprained a lumbar muscle in my back, and so I decided I wanted to take a step back, and I took a week off from trading. Sitting down in the chair was actually a pretty difficult thing for me, and there was a lot of pain involved and all that kind of stuff. But anyway, going back to today's session, KODK, huge move in the pre-market hours, as you can see here, coming from the low of $2.97, ramping up to open around $9, right? It was a 265% up, something like that. I didn't catch the move all the way. I'm gonna show you what happened here. This thing started to come up, reject, and then came up to the high 994. I was watching that area here, as you can see. Also this inverted hangman right here, 994, came down, held on to the 50 on the one, came up. But where I actually got my opportunity for a slap on this thing was not on the way up, but I was waiting for this flat consolidation right here that you can see on the 5 minutes. The issue, and I posted this stuff on Discord, I wanted this to be a bear flag pattern really on the 5 minutes, but it didn't really happen that way. What it did is just to win right back up. I was having a 960 price target, or actually the montage order being ready, a 960. This is right here, 959, if you can see this, and we have a low here, this formation 962. So I had a 960 ready. The thing dipped to 951. I noticed that it was hovering way too much around this area before it dropped, and so this is the reason why I held the order, and I didn't send it out because I wanted this to be a green candle, become a bear flag pattern formation. Instead, we have the dojis on the 5 minutes. But when this thing came up and retested the 994 that we have on the high here, 994, 995, we got 995 right here, this trend line rejected. It came right back down again to retest the low of this flag formation, this consolidation. Then that's when I liked it, because it got a rejection of the high here. We have 1, 2, and 3 times. You can see on 3 candles, and the fourth one started to come down. I like this pattern. Came down, slapped it, and we have a bear flag pattern formation right here on the 1 minute time frame. Down and dipped all the way to 914 from this thing, 960 that I was waiting for. Came up, then I was looking for this area 975, but it rejected the 966. Look at this area here, the candle right here, 966. Let me bring it over a little closer. 966, the high of this candle, right here, 965, rejected the high of the 1 minute candle right here. Had a little bit of consolidation, you can see here on this pattern, and then it dropped, slamming right back down, having another bear flag pattern right here. When he had this consolidation going sideways, let me show you guys where this thing was sitting, right here on this candle. You see the 5 minute here, this oval formation here is this bear flag pattern right here. Okay, you can see it on the 5 minutes. I started to keep an eye on this thing, but going into midday, and it was coming down towards the whole dollar area, 850. It dipped to 849. You can see right here, 846, pardon me, and it came right back up. I told everybody on the group that I was not going to take a short into $0.5 support, and I was not going to go long anyway into midday, because right now it's noon, 11:58 to be precise on the time. I didn't want to have a long trade or a short trade into midday. If you notice right here, he held, came up, right now it's hovering around the 50 simple moving average on the 1 minute time frame. But this is something that I didn't want to go through, and I took another stab at MNOV right here, going back to the beginning of the day. You can see how this thing dropped, and I posted this stuff on the group. I was watching this stuff. I like this type of formations. I was looking for this consolidation on this pattern on the 1 minute time frame. I'm also going to post a picture here so you can see it. And when it dipped to 812 right here, started to drop. Now I had to put an order on an uptick though, because it has a short sell restriction you can see right here. So that means that you can short it, but you gotta short this on an uptick. So you gotta put an order on a way up. So I was risking the high of this hanging man here, 827, going down. And look at how it dropped. Had a little bit of consolidation. 795. Took it down right here in this little bit of consolidation on the 1 minute, and it dipped to $7.63. So it was actually a pretty decent trade on that one. It was clean pattern, rejecting this trend line here for this support, coming right back down when this hanging man started to reject the price action and slamming the price right back down. You can see how right here, then it dipped, came up, and came right back down again just to find that support. As of right now, look at how this is developing. But so far was actually a pretty decent thing. Also CAPR that was posted on last Sunday when I was making the watch list for this week. It just keeps on making new highs. I'm gonna show you the picture of that right here on the video. And you know, overall it's been a pretty decent trade. CGC making the move today. FRAN FRNA today on the pre-market hours had a massive move. Overall today it's been pretty decent. Over the last couple of days we have seen a lot of volatility on the market, which gives us pretty nice opportunities to make decent profits on the market. So for now I'm gonna let you guys go. Wanted to give you an update on today's session, on the trades today, and what's been happening with me, and the reason why I haven't been posting videos lately. So for now, let you guof go. Enjoy the rest of your day. Happy trading, guys, and I'll see you guys later. Remember, this Discord group is open for the public. If you want to come through, you're welcome to do so. Link in the bio.